Alright guys, welcome back. Today we are making ketchup. I'm actually making some sloppy joes later. I didn't have any ketchup for my sloppy joe recipe, and I'm trying to really get into the habit of just making my own things if I don't have it in the pantry and I can't get to the store, because if we move where we're wanting to move, the store is not going to be close. So what I did was actually take a quart of my tomato juice and just cooked it down with some dehydrated onion in it. I sprinkled some in because I don't have any onion powder, and I let all that reduce down to this, a nice tomato paste. Now if you had tomato paste, then of course use 10 to 12 ounces of tomato paste. But since I don't have tomato paste, I made my own. And it really only took about, I want to say about 30 minutes to get it to this thick consistency. And it does have the dehydrated onion. I am going to puree it at the end just to make it nice and smooth. But really I don't have to, because it's going in a chunky recipe. But anyway, do what you want to do. Okay, so in here I have half a teaspoon of celery seed and half a teaspoon of mustard seed that I ground up. So throw that in. A half a teaspoon of oregano. And I'm just eyeballing these. I'm not going to be super specific. But about a half a teaspoon of oregano. A half a teaspoon of garlic. And I would recommend using garlic powder for this particular recipe. Quarter teaspoon of cayenne. Quarter of that. Cayenne is so good for you, by the way, if you aren't aware of those benefits. A quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Some salt, about that much of that, and that is sea salt, so it is a little stronger than regular table salt. I need a tablespoon of sugar, 1, 2, 3 tablespoon of that, and then a third a cup of apple cider vinegar, or you could use white vinegar if you don't want as tangy of a sauce. Okay, so a third a cup of apple cider vinegar, and then just a pinch of some allspice. And it is a very strong herb. Well, that didn't even come off my hand. There we go. That's it. Too much and it'll be very overpowering. So now I'm just going to get my immersion blender and blend this up really smooth, and then I'll give it a taste test and see if I need to adjust any of the ingredients. Alright, so here it is all pureed up. Give it a... that is good. I am going to add a little more sugar, just because I am doing a sloppy joe mix, and I like spicy. But I think I may have added a little too much cayenne this time around of making it. And I want to make sure that my kiddos will eat it. My girls like spicy, but not my son. Now that is perfect. So I hope you enjoyed this super quick and easy recipe for ketchup. Because again, if you have a can of tomato paste, then this would come together in no time at all, because it's literally just mixing stuff into the tomato paste and then tasting to your liking. And it's just such a, I mean, that is beautiful, and you know exactly what is in this. There's no preservatives. I canned up the tomato juice myself. I know where everything came from. So I hope that I see you in my next video, and thanks for watching.